everybody, Lice Lady here. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're going to be debunking lots of myths, showing you lots of different treatments. So make sure that you leave comments or questions if you have any, so that we can help you through this process. Today we're going to be talking about the causes of head lice. What causes head lice? We get that question all the time in here. People want to know if they come from the ground or from the trees or something like that. They don't, you guys. They do not come from the ground. They don't come from the trees. They live on us. They live on humans. Lice are species specific. There's over 5,000 different types of head lice. Head lice are specific to our heads. Long time ago, about 8,000 BC, in Brazil, a mummy was discovered and had the first nit on its head. That is about how long ago we can track back head lice. We also do know that ancient Egyptians struggled with head lice as well, because lice combs were found buried in their tombs with them. What causes head lice? Head-to-head contact is going to be the most common thing that's going to cause your head lice infestation. Because head lice is transferred from head-to-head contact, we need to make sure that everybody in the household doesn't have it. Also, there are things that we need to look at. Sports, during sports season, you guys, buy your own kids their helmets. They don't need to share the helmets. We see so many people coming in here because they've been sharing their kids' helmets. Baseball, softball, things like that. Think about it during the ski season too. If you're about to place that little helmet on your head, you might want to consider just going and getting a helmet for your own kiddo to avoid that lice infestation. Lice can be transferred between objects and scarves, but highly, highly unlikely. We hear lots of people say that they don't want to go to the movies or things like that. They don't want to go to different places. You guys are going to be just fine. Go ahead and go live your life. Head lice is a social bug. Chances are, if you're social, you're probably going to get head lice at one time. Your kid's going to get head lice at one time. It's okay. I promise we've got you covered. We will take care of you. Thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll make sure that we get back to any questions that you guys have about head lice. Also, make sure that you check out the link in the description below for our recommended product list to help you combat these little bugs. Thanks again for watching, and we all know that you want to watch videos about head lice, so come back and watch.